hitting the auction block.
But first on 6, a legal battle looms for local school districts that have chosen to ignore a state law.
A number of them have refused to comply with House Bill 3393, which requires public schools to provide scholarship money so special needs students can attend private school. But the method the schools are using to fight the law has come under fire. News on 6 reporter Chris Wright has our top story here at 6.
Bill Wilkinson, who has practiced education law for 40 years, is not a fan of House Bill 3393.
It's a stupid piece of legislation. Somebody was asleep at the wheel when they passed it. It is terrible.
But he says the law is the law, and he's baffled that districts are choosing simply not to comply with it.
I've never seen anything like that before, and I thought I was having a bad dream when it first was reported on the news. It's a terrible, terrible mistake.
Tulsa Public Schools has yet to join districts like Jenks, Broken Arrow, Union, and Bixby. The board listened to impassioned pleas from parents of special needs children Wednesday and will vote on the matter Monday.
And I'm tired of fighting for my son. He has a right to an education. He has a right to friends. And he has a right to be able to learn and be able to go to college as a regular student.
There's also been a small structure in the front of this building that stated no kid left behind. Yet my kid has been left behind over and over again in your school system.
Douglas Mann, the lawyer for many Tulsa County districts, says noncompliance is the quickest way to get 3393 in front of a judge. The schools do fully expect to get sued. But Bill Wilkinson says there's another option. The districts could have filed what's called a petition for declaratory judgment. He says that would have allowed a district judge to rule on whether or not 3393 is constitutional. Instead, the schools have chosen what he believes is a very slippery slope.
We cannot deteriorate to the point where we can just simply say, I like this law and I'm going to abide by it. I don't like this law and I'm not going to abide by it.
Now, Wilkinson also represents school districts across the state and says he's strongly advising them not to follow the lead of the larger Tulsa County districts. Chris Wright, the News on.